Hi everyone, this is a quick video to let you know about a new feature that I've set up on my website. So if you go to my website www.applelover53.co.uk, this is where you normally come to my blog, and if you select blog, this pop-up window comes out and this is where you subscribe to my blog. So if you want to be kept up to date with any blog posts I post or anything that I put on my blog, this is where you subscribe to it, okay? But there's now a new feature called Forum, which you'll see here next to it. Now basically I get lots of messages via all different forms of social media and I can't always keep up with them. I'm finding that I'm getting email messages with questions and photographs. I'm getting questions asked on my blog here. I'm getting questions via Instagram and Facebook. And to be fair, the Instagram and Facebook are the ones that I don't always see. So I've decided to try and add a forum to my website in the hope that maybe this is one place that you can go and you can ask a question, you can make a comment, you can post photographs, and hopefully I will be able to keep up with the messages, but also the more people that join, other people may be able to answer your question if I don't get to it. So I'm testing it out at the moment. It's still fairly new, so you're going to have to bear with me. But basically, just because you sign up here on the blog to subscribe to the blog doesn't automatically mean you're a forum member, okay? So if you want to be a member of the forum, you physically have to sign up to the forum. When you hover over it, there is a members section where you should be able to go in later and change any of your details and what notifications you receive from the forum. But basically, to sign up or use the forum, and then you'll see this window. If you've already signed up, this is where you log into the forum. If you've not signed up for the forum, you have to click here where it says new to this site, sign up. And you click that and you'll assign yourself an email and a password and click sign up. I then have to approve the requests, and once I approve them, you will then come to forum, and then this time it automatically defaults to log in as the first option. So you would then use the email and the password that you signed up with. So just to clarify, there are two different ways of using my website. The first one is to just follow and subscribe to the blog. And as I said, to do that, you will use the either subscribe or this box that pops out normally. And this is just for you to just follow my blog, okay? If you want to be a member of the forum, then you've got to come here to the forum icon and either log in or click sign up. So this was just a quick overview. While I'm here also, you'll quite often hear me mention on a Sunday night, about information that's on the website. So I have a shop tab now that leads you to my cutting file shop. There's also a handmade sections item now. A link to my Stampin' Up shop if you want to purchase Stampin' Up products from me. So if you live in the UK, Austria, France, Germany or the Netherlands and you want to buy your craft supplies, that link takes you straight to me. It shows that you're shopping with me and then you can just start shopping from here. And then finally, under the shop tab is my adhesive offer that I have at the moment, which is an adhesive sampler pack, and you'll find all the information here. Under the Scan and Cut tab, this is where I offer any of my online classes and how you book a class. There's some machine comparison information here. This is the one I tend to mention quite a lot in my YouTube lives, the help and information section. In here you'll find links to all the manuals for the CM model machines, the DX, SDX machines, all the manuals for things like the pen holder, the foiling kit, all that kind of stuff. So all the information is all here contained in my website, and it's all categorized. If it's anything to do with Stampin' Up, there's all information here. There's a link directly to all my videos on YouTube. If you want to email me, you can message me here, and then we're back to the blog and the forum. So that is all, as I say, all contained now on my website. I hope you'll find that helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.